Hello guys, welcome to Chef Lee Food Channel. I'm Chef Lee, and today we have a very special guest in the kitchen. This meal I'm making today is the very first meal that I made for her. So this meal actually brings back this in the memories. So help me and welcome Jenny.
Hello, I wanted to clap for myself. But hi guys.
Clap for yourself, what happened?
I want to go clap for myself. I can clap for myself.
Because you're a fine girl now, so we're going to clap for you.
So we're talking about food in this kitchen today. So
Okay, no problem.
So today what are we making?
Okay, today.
What are you making? I'm not making anything.
Oh, but you already know what I'm about to make.
Yes.
Because you know the first time I made the meal for you, so you actually enjoyed it.
So the question now is it jollof pasta or curry pasta? Because the first one you made for me was curry pasta. I can vividly remember.
Okay, today I would go for with something very simple. So we want to make a stir-fry pasta.
Stir-fry.
Just something simple. You can throw it together in 30
minutes. Did I
ever
tell you that pasta you made for me? I tried making it during my secondary school home management practical, and I don't know if I'll say I failed woefully, but that was the first time I tried to make pasta, and since then my favorite food to make has been pasta, and I'm very good at it now. So today that I'm here, I'll learn new skills.
Well, you fail because you have not paid your tithe.
I've not paid my tithe.
You didn't pay tithe. What is you want to go do pasta? No, you're supposed to pay tithe. You want to pay tithe then.
I'm here. I'm paying my tithe now.
Okay.
Come and teach me more.
You are welcome. So, okay, sweet red for the sweet girl.
Hey, I like that.
Yeah.
Sweet thread for the sweet girl.
So, you say if you don't drink, you will not learn this thing back. Okay.
No, I need to drink while you. I can't believe I'm saying that on camera. For a little, so I can try my wine skills. That's okay. It's too much. So the thing is, because it's not a wine glass.
Yeah.
So, but basically, we have an actual wine glass. You can go wee. Look at it. And yeah.
How is it? I've not tasted this one.
It's nice.
It's nice?
Yeah, I like. Thank God it's not sugar.
This is medium sweet, but they say it's sweet red.
I like it, but I prefer sour wine to sweet. It's very sweet wine.
Me too. But I don't know. Girls tend to like sweet.
How did that tell you to top my cup for me?
Alright. So now
can focus and cook this food.
Yes. We are preparing the sauce we are going to use. So today we'll be using yellow bell pepper. So you just cut the one that you need.
So we need half of that for one pack of pasta.
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm learning.
You can go this in a crazy with it.
Oh, let's go crazy. I use one bourbon.
This is
it orange?
It's orange, obviously. Orange bell pepper, you know, it makes it very colorful. This is very nice. It's very appealing to the eyes. Our green. This is going to be so colorful. So colorful. You know, but it's not must. We use all. If you can see green, red, yellow, that's okay. So we have.
So I must not use all.
Must not use all.
So if I don't see orange, you go.
Yeah, you can just go with one. You see. So we have carrots. We have parsley.
I really like parsley. I like dried parsley.
Yeah.
I don't know how fresh parsley tastes.
Okay.
But today I'm gonna try.
The taste is marvelous.
Taste is the difference. The difference is the taste.
Yes. Then
white onion.
So
you cannot use red onions for stuff like this.
You can use red onions, but I prefer
white is more preferable.
Yeah, though I prefer scallion.
Scallion, yeah.
But I don't have scallion at the moment, so I'll do fine shredding like this. You like?
So which one should I help you shred?
Okay, just you come and shred these peppers for me while I prepare the chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
That works.
So just fine shredding like this. So this is our green bell pepper.
So we are now in the kitchen.
Yes. You can help me.
A little wine dries up.
Yes. Get those up.
I need to wash my hands.
Yeah.
So okay. Chef Stanley said I should chop. I'm quite good at chopping though.
Okay, that's good.
So this goes
just don't cut your fingers.
This goes. I've cut my fingers so many times that if I cut my fingers at this point, it will be a problem.
You want to eat stir-fried spaghetti, not stir-fried fingers. So,
I told you I've perfected my pasta skills. So if you want to know how to cook pasta, you must know how to chop these things. Okay, he said nothing goes to waste. So it's like you don't know how much I've obsessed over pasta over the years. Funny enough, my best food to ever make is pasta.
very easy to make.
Like one food I know that if I cook it for somebody and the person will like it, pasta to the rescue. Because I'm lactose intolerant.
Okay.
But one time I went to my friend's place and then she did it with coconut milk.
Okay, that's a
It was
substitute here.
So good. It was so tasty. Had a little bit of curry in it, curry and coconut milk, and probably cheese. But all those things, they sound like holy grail to me because if I have them, I'm going to suffer.
Pasta, I can eat pasta from January to December.
Pasta and stew, pasta, pin pasta, macaroni. See, give me pasta in any way you give me pasta, I would not reject it.
See?
I never reject it.
Then you should not be in Nigeria, you should be in Italy.
Yes.
Because the Italians.
Yeah, so I need to go to Italy for a holiday. Parsley is something that I've never really had to cook with. Okay. I use dried parsley. So do I cut it with the stalk or do I?
Just shred it up.
With the stalk?
Yes.
Okay, so I've seen clips, so it does go, right?
Yes, but make it more fine.
Oh, it's not fine enough?
Yeah, chop it more finely.
Do I stop here or do I keep going?
Keep going. The upper part of the parsley.
Okay. Deal with injuries.
Yes.
From knife. Like if you don't even have that problem, do you really cook? One time I literally chopped off my nail.
Yes.
When I was learning how to chop. I don't even know what I was chopping that day. It was probably pepper or tomato. And then the fluid, either the tomato or the onion, got into the injury. It was so painful.
It's all about the techniques, how you hold your knife.
And before you learn how to hold your knife, you would cure one or two injuries.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so that's done. This okay. This fine enough.
This is okay. It's okay.
Okay. So
you can perceive the aroma.
Yes, it smells so good. It smells really nice.
Yeah.
I'm scarly, man. I think you're impressed with my cutting skills.
Yes, I am very, very impressed. Cutting skills. At least you've earned to today's pasta. You've earned it.
A little bit of, so it's very difficult to find scallions in Nigeria, especially in this part of Nigeria. But if you go to the north, you can find scallions.
Yeah, so that's why we started to substitute with spring onions. Whatever I get to do this, I just have to take this off.
Oh, that's new. You see, we learn something every day. So generally, I really don't like onion. I can eat it, but I don't like chopping it because why is a vegetable so wicked? Like, what do you have to make me cry? What did I do so wrong?
That's why I blend mine most time.
But there are some meals that requires you having the onion in its full glory. Like this now, you want to blend it, but you can still blend it for pasta though. You don't like onion.
Yeah, but I will make an exception today.
And this is not red onion.
Yeah.
Do you need it smaller? Should I chop it?
No, it's okay like this since we are stir frying it.
After chopping, we drink.
So because of this small shopping now, you want to reward yourself with more. I
have to reward myself now.
Why?
Come on, bitch.
Me, I've been here observing. I've been here shopping, directing.
Let me enjoy myself. Okay. Let's move on. Chicken.
Okay, so today we'll be using chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Yes, this is a chicken breast. So we need to pat it dry.
Oh yeah. I said chicken is enough.
Is enough. Is enough. Is enough.
Okay, so what does this pat dry thing actually do?
You know, we need to pat it dry to remove any excess moisture.
Okay.
You know, because.
But do you wash before you pat dry?
Yes, yes.
These are people don't wash their chicken.
Ah, that's bad.
Very bad though.
Just pat it dry.
Okay. Learn new one today. Pat dry.
So let's shred the chicken. I'm going to shred it since we are on the business of shredding. First of all, I'm going to butterfly the breast before shredding. So, we're going to do some shredding right now. Do some shredding. So we need to parboil the pasta. You need to put water on fire. Allow the water to actually boil before adding your pasta, or it's gonna go all soggy and all.
No, we don't do soggy pasta over here.
All. No. So put your water on fire. Allow it to boil.
So what's the next process?
You put this in, then we add
chicken goes in first.
Yes. So we add some bunch of
chicken in the bowl.
Yeah. We add some soy sauce.
Okay, that little.
Then add some black pepper
for some heat.
Yeah, but you know we are Nigerians. We like heat. This is not enough heat.
It's not enough
so
heat.
We are still going to add our Scotch bonnet pepper.
Okay.
So we add some ginger. I'm using some powdered ginger instead of fresh ginger. So at this point we go in with some curry.
Okay.
So
very little, because curry is actually a very strong spice.
Yes.
If you put too much of it, just overpower the entire flavor of the food.
So we're going with our Scotch bonnet pepper just because we're Africans and we like
heat. Like spice.
We like it hot.
If it's not hot, we don't want it.
Yes. So we need to go in with some salt, add some oil. I like to add olive oil.
You can fry. Should I stir?
Yeah, you can stir.
I like this bowl. Will you give it to me when I'm leaving?
Very sexy. What do you mean?
Just bowl. It's only bowl. I didn't ask for any. Just bowl. See now, it's cute.
My precious bowl.
It's really cute. I like it.
Okay. So let's allow the chicken to marinate.
I don't have to be that fierce when I'm stirring.
No, you know, you're a pretty lady, so you are
gentle.
But me, I am.
This is not the gym, Stanley.
Yes. Beauty, muscular.
So what next?
So yes, you add salt.
Okay, and
add salt to the water.
Then
no, okay, we can go in with some oil.
Yeah.
So it's not a must, but you can go in with some oil.
Finally, I feel like it's a must though, so it doesn't get sticky.
Well, the trick
goes in.
Yeah.
So some people have this atrocity. There's this sin that people commit where they break pasta.
Yeah.
Why would you break pasta?
Then how will you eat it then?
Why would you break pasta?
So we're going to allow it to boil till al dente.
Okay.
Then we'll take it out.
I've learned that the secret of not having sticky pasta is to stir it till it properly cooks.
Separate it, everything.
Yeah.
So you can add all the oil in this world, but
without stirring it's gonna stick.
Yep. So
I think you can allow it to cook.
Yeah, just allow it to.
We'll come back and stir again.
Yes. We're going to mince this garlic. You know?
Yeah. Yep.
So we just. Time to put everything back together, you know. So we bring our wok.
Oh, this is pretty.
Yeah, it's very sexy, I suppose, you know. You want to use vegetable oil? I want to use olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yeah. So
I don't know, so
let's go in with olive oil.
Yeah. Here you go.
So
you tell me when it's okay.
Yeah, just little to stir fry. That's okay. So you just to wait our work.
So like this now, we won't cooking this.
Let's start with our garlic. Once it's
a little garlic.
Just
all of it.
Just all of it. Once it's hot, let it heat up a bit.
I think it's hot enough.
Okay, you can go in with the garlic. No. So you can stir it. You can use that.
Oh, garlic flavor is always amazing.
Divine. So we'll saute it until golden brown.
Until golden brown.
Yeah.
I'm learning. I'm taking classes until golden brown.
Yes. So you can go in with your chicken.
Go on my chicken now.
Yeah.
I've never been so obsessed with a bowl in my life. Tell him to give me the bowl.
You have to pay.
No, you're my OG before IG.
You see that? So you allow the chicken to cook for a bit. You keep stirring till it's properly done.
Can you smell that?
Yeah.
It smells so
garlic.
Good.
Bouillon cube. Bless you. So we can top some
oil,
liquid vegetable oil. So, since the chicken is set, we'll take out the chicken. We'll take it out. So we can go on with our vegetables.
So olive oil, no more oil.
You can add olive oil a little bit.
Is that okay?
That's okay. So next, let's saute our onions. So we saute onions. So this can go for 1 minute. Then we go in with our carrots.
Okay. So carrots before other bell peppers.
Yes, because carrot is stronger.
So
next we just go in with all our
bell peppers.
Yes. You can see how colorful. How colorful. It's like a rainbow in here. So you add some bouillon cubes. Add the chicken.
Okay, so the chicken comes in.
Yeah, the chicken comes in.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Yeah.
Ooh, it looks so good.
Let's add our parsley. So now we go in with our pasta. Mix it properly. You can see how beautiful this is. Very nice, and this kitchen smells very amazing. Wonderful. Yes, very nice. Yeah, so at this point we turn off the fire, and here comes my favorite part, tasting part. Yes. So now for the testing.
It's testing though.
So here we go. Pasta. Delish.
It looks so delicious.
And it tastes so delicious.
Is this too big a spoon?
Yes, that's how we roll. So it's a simple recipe, as you can see.
Director, you can cut though.